Hey, and this is another YouTube video. I just made a video, but it was too long to upload. It's kind of weird. I was trying to figure out how to make the videos longer. There was a tutorial that showed me on it, but it didn't work because I am on a tablet. So that's one thing. And my brother is playing video games right now, and here you can take a look real quick. Oh gosh, 1 second, it's blurry. Let me put it right here. Settle there. I don't think, I don't know how to turn down the light brightness. Anyway, this guy right here, he is Doomsday. And the other guy right here is Lex Luthor. Oh gosh, he just did a superpower. See you later, alligator. No, Gavin, do not do that. No, Gavin, stop. You can barely see anything. So, wait a second. You can see it much better like this. Holy marshmallows. Okay. Okay. Yes, so that was that. I'm going to show you my bedroom now. It's going to be kind of awesome. There's my grandma sleeping.
I'm trying to sleep. Please shut my door and go away. Or shut your door, please. I'll see your stuff later, Aiden.
Okay. Ooh, that's new. Oh, I thought Gavin was playing that. Never mind. Okay, so this is just a tour of my house. Sorry about that. This is awesome sauce. So, if you want to see a kid being tortured to death, why don't you just go check out McJuggernuggets, because he gets tortured to death by his own dad. But it's not like torture.
But that's a psycho dad.
Yeah, psycho dad.
Let's get this.
Yeah, kind of psycho dad.
Cat!
Kitty cat! Did you just see that kitty cat? Okay, never mind.
Oh my god.
Okay. Anybody want to see my kitty? Okay, 1 sec. I'm just pointing you at the ceiling. Pepper. Hey, Pepper. Look, you're on YouTube. Pepper, you're on YouTube. Pepper. Oh, look at you. You're on YouTube. She doesn't give a beep. Oh, sharks? Really? That's impossible. Okay, this is cool. Here's what I made. Wait, can you even see it? You cannot. Oh gosh. Pepper. Here. Here, Pepper. Here. Talk to all your YouTube people. Talk to all your viewers. We're gonna get a whole bunch of viewers, Pepper.
We're sneakers.
Pepper doesn't give a poop.
We're sneakers.
Pepper, say meow. Roll over. You're not a dog, but just roll over, please.
Wait, did you say Lady Gaga?
Get away, Lady Gaga. I hate you. Well, I don't actually hate Lady Gaga, but I just hate the dolls of Lady Gaga. It's just creepy. Hi, God. Ow! Get on the shirt. Okay. RC. Kitty cat. Smell my feet. Chubby cat.
We're sneakers.
In the chubby cat. 7 chubby cats later. I've gotta eat Peppa. Wait, pretend you're eating pepper. Ah, she's eating.
Oh, she doesn't like that.
Hello. I hope you smash that like button and subscribe. Bye.